So, happy morning, everybody. Happy morning, a very, very happy morning, and welcome to day 3 of our magic book session.
Happy
I'm so
morning.
happy to be with you all in this lovely, lovely, bright, happy morning. So, yes, who all did their assignment for yesterday's assignment, the magic rock? If you haven't, for somebody who has just joined in, you have to find a rock for yourself which you will be attracted to, which you can hold it in your palms, which is soft, which is not sharp, and you feel very good when you hold it in your palms. So you can find it in a garden, you can find it in a beach, as we discussed yesterday. And when you hear the recording of the second day, you will understand what the book is trying to tell us. Yeah. So who all did the assignment yesterday night? And if you have any sharing, what did you feel after you took the rock in your palms and you spoke and you felt and you expressed your gratitude? The one of the best things that happened during the day. So yes, if anybody has any sharing, you can unmute yourselves and share with us. Or if you have any questions, you can ask the questions before we begin, before we start the reading of the
Ma'am,
session.
ma'am, good
Yes,
morning.
morning.
Can I share?
Yes, yes, please.
हाँ मैम, कल रात को जब मैं सोने गया तब ये मेरा मैजिक रॉक है, उसको लोग के मैंने जब थैंक यू जब भी मतलब पूरे दिन का जो भी अच्छा मेरा हुआ वो मैंने याद करके लास्ट में जब थैंक यू जब बोल रहा था तब मेरे हाथ में मतलब ये मेरा मैजिक रॉक था। तो उस टाइम जबरदस्त मेरे वाइब्रेशन मुझे फील हुए। सो दैट इज
Lovely,
माय एक्सपीरियंस।
lovely, lovely. And वो vibrations आपको like what did you feel in your heart? Did you feel anything in your heart
मतलब वो
center?
हैप्पीनेस था, वो हैप्पीनेस था।
Good, good. And how was the sleep? How was your
हाँ, स्लीप
sleep?
अच्छा रहा, स्लीप अच्छा रहा मेरा। रॉक को मैंने मेरे मतलब सिर के नीचे में रख के ही सोया था, साथ में रख के ही सोया था।
Lovely, lovely. Thank you for sharing. And सुबह आपने 10 blessings लिखी?
नहीं मैम, वो नहीं लिखी है मैंने।
Okay, so doesn't matter. After the session आप लिख सकते हो. So
ओके ओके
you आपको एक जर्नल बनाना है, एक बुक नोटबुक बनानी है, जिसमें आपको
जी।
रोज सुबह प्रेफरेबली जब आप उठते हैं उसके maybe 15-20 minutes. After that, you can just sit down and write your blessings. Minimum 10 blessings. It can be more than that.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू
ओके,
मैम।
उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. थैंक यू भरत जी फॉर शेयरिंग. थैंक यू सो मच. Anybody
थैंक यू।
else has any sharing before we start the reading? Yes? No? Nobody? Okay, so who, anybody please nominate yourself for the reading today? Day 3 of our magic book session, Magical Relationships. Yes? I'll share the screen. Who is nominating? Who is ready to read? Yes?
Margie on the chat said she'll read.
Margie? Okay, okay. Yes, Margie, you can unmute yourself. Thank you, Uma. Margie, you can unmute yourself and start reading.
I can see only the image on this page.
Yeah.
Day 3,
Yes.
Magical Relationships.
Yes.
Imagine,
Pooja.
okay, imagine if you were the only person on earth, you would have no desire to do anything. What would be the point in creating a painting if no one could see it? What would be the point in composing music if no one could hear it? What would be the point in inventing anything if there was no one to use it? There would be no reason to move from one place to another because wherever you went would be the same as where you were, no one would be there. There would be no pleasure or joy in your life.
Yes. So even when while we are hearing and we are reading it in our minds, how does it feel to just put yourself for a second that if you shut your eyes and you just imagine yourself that there's nobody around you, there's nobody around you, you have to do everything on your own. Right now, when we are surrounded by so many people around us, right from the time we woke up and we went to the bathroom and there was water coming, there was somebody who must have started the flow of water, right? To just let us to let us experience the flow of water, the water coming in the tap. Somebody must have helped us in doing so. When I go to the kitchen and I know that the milkman has kept the milk packets outside, so I would go and just take those packets and thank the milkman. Wow, the milk has come. So all these small small things that happen in our life is they happen because of the people around us. If nobody would have been there, and imagine you we would have to do the entire work ourselves, how would the life be then? And we know that man is a social animal. We like being with people around us. So हमारे जो संबंध है, हमारे जो रिलेशन है, जिनके साथ हम रहते हैं, उनके बिना हमारी लाइफ कैसे होगी? जस्ट इमेजिन करना है हमें अपने आप से. सो अगर हमें कुछ चीज की, सो द बुक इज okay. So why the book, the author has chosen the, it could have chosen health, it could have chosen any other topic, but why this topic, relationships, sambandh? Why this? Because man is a social animal. We like being with people. Of course, there are times when we like being with ourselves, but that is only uh, for some time. It's temporary. Otherwise, we just like being surrounded by friends. How happy we feel with our relatives, how happy we feel with being with our parents, how happy we feel being with our spouses. Then, yes, of course, with our friends. So, all this happiness comes only when we are surrounded by people around us. There would be no pleasure or joy in our lives. हमारे जिंदगी में खुशी नहीं होगी. We will not be joyful. अगर हम कुछ किसी से कुछ एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, just imagine you have to just make things for yourself and there's nobody else. सो इट हैज हैपेंड ना, वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस. जब हमको सिर्फ अपने लिए ही कुछ करना होता है तो हम सोचते नहीं, अभी नहीं, क्या जरूरत है, थोड़े में ही चला लेंगे, या नहीं करेंगे. बट when there are people, when we have some motivation that you have to do this for somebody, then actually you put your first step forward and you do it happily and joyfully. Yes, no, how many of us have experienced this?
Yes, totally agreed. When we have to
Yes,
cook for ourselves only, we try
yes,
to compromise at the menu.
yes, yes. Yeah, and we would eat whatever is there, or just
Yes,
have little bit and just be satisfied. Yeah,
yes.
yes,
Hmm.
true. Yeah, please read ahead.
It's your contact and experiences with other people that give your life joy. meaning, and purpose. Because of that, your relationships affect your life more than anything else. To receive the life of your dreams, it's vital that you understand how your relationships affect your life now and how they are the most powerful channels for gratitude to start magically changing your life.
Yes. So if we go to see the bigger picture, we actually complete each other. हम एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं, चाहे वो हमारे माता पिता हैं, चाहे हमारे स्पाउस हैं, चाहे if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, या हमारे बच्चे हैं. So let's take an example of a tree. एक हम एक विजुलाइज करते हैं, एक बड़ा सा ट्री है हमारे सामने. You could visualize a big fat trunk, and you could visualize if you connect with any tree like a banyan tree, yeah, people ka ped, just visualize that and see the branches coming out of the tree. So we are like a tree, and the branches that are coming out of the tree is like our relations, हमारे संबंध. उस पेड़ की जो ब्रांचेस है, जो शाखाएं हैं, वो हमारे संबंध उसके जैसे हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन खाली एक पेड़ खड़ा है और उसके ब्रांचेस ही नहीं है. So how would it feel? It would feel very strange, na, looking at that tree. So like that, we are like a huge tree with a strong trunk, with strong roots going into Mother Earth, and we flourish, we be happy, we feel joyful with the branches, with the relations with our there, जो हमारे संबंध है, वो हमें पूरा करते हैं. To receive the life of your dreams, it's vital that you understand how your relationships affect your life now and how they are the most powerful channels for gratitude to start magically changing your life. So, this book is all about gratitude, shukrana. So, thankfulness. So, jitna hum in relations, so we are starting actually, जो हमारा रूट है, जो हमारा मूल है, that we are starting with paying gratitude to our relations. So हमने जो कल होमवर्क था, 3 पिक्चर्स कलेक्ट की थी. हमने अगर नहीं की हो तो we can still collect it today, because we are, and preferably if you can do what the book is going to tell us as we go further, as this chapter will tell us, that what are we going to do with those 3 pictures, हम क्या करेंगे. तो प्रेफरेबली आप सेशन के बाद में ही इसे अपना आधा घंटा का टाइम निकाल के कर लें. इट विल बी वेरी गुड इफ यू कैन डू जस्ट आफ्टर द सेशन, और अदरवाइज stay in a very quiet and peaceful space during the day when you are with yourself. ऐसे चलते फिरते इसको नहीं करना है. Just sit quietly with yourself and do what the book tells us as we go ahead. Yes, please read ahead.
Science is now confirming the wisdom of the great sages of the past, with research studies showing that people who practice gratitude have closer relationships, are more connected to family and friends, and have other people look upon them favorably.
Yes.
But probably the most astounding statistic that has come out of research studies is that for every one complaint about another person, whether in thought or word, there have to be 10 blessings for the relationship to flourish. Any less than 10 blessings for every one complaint, and the relationship will deteriorate. Sorry,
Deteriorate.
deteriorate. And if the relationship is a marriage, it will most likely end in divorce.
Yes. So now one by one, the book is, what actually क्या हो रहा है कि every wall that we have created around us, every covering जो हमने अपने चारों तरफ बना ली है from the time we were born, तो धीरे धीरे हमने अपने चारों तरफ एक unconsciously we have created walls around us. So the book is identifying every please mute yourself. Somebody is unmuted. Can you please mute yourself? I would request everybody to take the responsibility of muting yourself if you're not speaking. Yes. So one by one, this book is, going to identify every wall that we have created around us, and very slowly, very subtly, एकदम धीरे धीरे एक एक wall को हम कैसे dissolve करेंगे. Okay. And what is the first step? Very, 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 very important कि हम ऐसा सोच रहे कि हम शायद कुछ बोल के हमने कुछ एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया है, पर हमारा दिमाग में हमेशा थॉट्स आते रहते हैं. Just now also when I'm talking to you, you are listening to me, maybe that your mind is thinking something else, what you have to do after the session, or you forgot something, or you did before the session. कुछ न कुछ अलग विचार दिमाग में शायद आ रहे हैं. So first step is what? अपने विचारों और शब्दों की दुनिया को बदलना है. We have to change the world of our thoughts and words. And how do we do that? So it says that for every one complaint about another person, it could be. So now you just, it will become easier if you can just bring one person in front of your eyes. If you can visualize about that person in front of your eyes, and you think that how often you complain about that person, whether it could be your kids, it could be your parents, it could be your mom, it could be your dad, it could be your spouse if you're married, it could be any friend of yours. If you just, even mentally, if we are complaining, then it says that one complaint, whether in form of a thought or a word, you have to write 10 blessings for every one complaint. How interesting, na?
Difficult too.
So just now let's calculate. हमने अगर एक दिन में एक पर्सन के लिए एक कंप्लेन किया है, और ऐसे ही एक महीने में अगर 30 दिन है और तो 30 कंप्लेन हो गए, और एक साल में हमने कितने कंप्लेन किए? 3600. 360 complaints. 360 complaints. So you have to write into 10. 3600 blessings you have to write for that person. So what is the book trying to tell you is that if we can, another way of saying that please stop your complaints, the book is trying to tell us that it's okay, it's fine. If you're complaining, complain. But against that complaint, you have to write 10 blessings for that person. Yes? So this is a beautiful equation which the book has given us. One complaint is equal to 10 blessings. So what you all can do is, you can please give me an example here, Mehta. So yeah, so I would explain again. So if supposing, just take a concrete example of a person, take an example of your mother. You can just say, she doesn't do anything for me, you don't listen anything. There are people, there are mothers, my friends' mothers, they listen to they listen to them and they give so much, and you don't make this for me, you don't make that for me, you don't buy this for me, I want this but you're not giving to me. So how many complaints you have made? So it's okay, it's fine. You have made a complaint against a person, against your mom, but then you find out 10 good things about your mom. Okay, this is one example I have given. Then you can take throughout your life, throughout your day to day, just yourself how many unconsciously we. Yes. So I hope I have made you have understood. I've answered your question. Yes. So now what I would suggest is that you can take a small paper and write down in that one complaint is equal to 10 blessings, and keep it at a place where you would, very often see. So it could be your bathroom, it could be your kitchen, it could be your living room. Just put that, write in block letters, little big letters, so that it is a reinforcement for you. You will keep on remembering it each time you see that, and you'll remember, oh wow, I'm complaining now. I have to write 10 blessings, and sit down to write 10 blessings there and there. So it's a new language that your mind is learning. Your body and mind is learning a different language. So it will take time for the mind to accept this language. Okay. And what is the language? The language of gratitude. Yes.
Gratitude makes relationship flourish.
As you increase,
As you increase your gratitude for your any relationship, you will magically receive an abundance of happiness and good things in that relationship. And gratitude for your relationships doesn't change only your relationships, it also changes you. No matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, understanding, compassion, and kindness to the point where you won't even recognize yourself. The little irritations you once felt and the complaints you had in your relationships will disappear, because when you are truly grateful for another person, there is nothing you want to change about that person. You won't criticize, complain about, or blame them, because you are too busy being grateful for the good things about them. In fact, you won't even be able to see the things you used to complain about.
yes. So, how many of us felt this little bit today when we sat down to write the 10 things you are grateful for, when you sat down to count your blessings? You must have experienced this a little bit, if not much, but a little bit. That when you are grateful to the things around you, or maybe some person came when you were writing the 10 things you were grateful for, you felt that there's you felt so satisfied with yourself. There was nothing you wanted to change about the other person, and slowly you will discover about yourself as you continue doing so, writing the 10 things you are grateful for, the 10 blessings early in the morning, and the magic rock practice. We will experience it for ourselves, because you remember the first day we read the law of attraction, and also what the secret movie spoke about the law of attraction, which says that like attracts like. Whatever we give, it comes back to us. So we have to actually see for ourselves, all of you in your life, whatever is you're giving, it's coming back to you. And now we all have the opportunity right now to use this law of attraction in our lives. So be as grateful as you can for the people around you. जो हमारे संबंध है, जो हमारे लोग हैं, उनके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हमें डेलिबरेटली निकालना है. शायद इनिशियली हमें कंप्लेन्स ही कंप्लेन नजर आएगी. So remember the magic formula which we did in the first day, day 0. Those 3 things. Can anybody tell me? Anybody remembers that magic formula which we did for those of us who were on day 0? Do you remember those 3 things? Can we start with the first thing, second and third? Anybody remembers? Yes, no? So, so deliberately say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you was the first one. Then the second is deliberately think about the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you. And the third was what think and feel. Think and feel and say thank you, thank you. So here we are going to use that formula. Think and feel and say, express your gratitude. Take out the good things about that person and bring it at in your life, in your mind. So first you have to do deliberately. जानबूझकर करना होगा, and then it will become a habit. As I told you, we are learning a completely new language. Okay, yes.
Words are very powerful.
No, you
So
have to
when
read this before we can only
okay,
be said.
हाँ, we can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures.
Thornton Wilder,
Yes,
18.
Thornton Wilder, writer and playwright.
So we
Words are,
only 1 minute. We can
yes,
only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures. Alive. Are we not alive now? What does the writer want to say? We can only be said to alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures. Jab,
worth living.
sorry, yeah.
It's worth of our life.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What did you say?
It's worth of being alive.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's we are worthy to be alive. We are happy to be alive. Alive, why? In those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures, हमारे जो खजाना है हमारे आसपास हमारे अंदर और जो लोग हैं जो हमारे चारों तरफ, those they are our treasures. एंड हम एक खजाने को कैसे रखते हैं? एकदम संभाल के. सो हमें ये हमारे जो रिलेशंस है हमारे जो संबंध है, कैन वी जस्ट कीप देम एज वी वुड कीप आवर ट्रेजर्स. दे आर आवर ट्रेजर्स एक्चुअली. Okay, and when we have those treasures, we are living our life in the truest sense. We are truly alive. हम जी रहे हैं. हम सर्वाइव नहीं कर रहे हैं, पर हम जी रहे हैं जब हम उनके इम्पोर्टेंस को महसूस करेंगे. ओके, या प्लीज गो अहेड.
Words are very powerful. So when you complain about any person, you actually harm your life. It is your life that will suffer. By the law of attraction, whatever you think or say about another person, you bring to you. This is the very reason why the greatest minds and teachers of the world have told us to be grateful. They knew that for you to receive more in your life, for your life to magical increase, you have to be grateful for others just as they are. What if every person close to you said, I love you just the way you are? How would you feel?
Yes. So today try saying it to yourself, first to yourself, and then say to maybe your husband or your wife or your kids, or even we can say that we can say in our mind to all those people who are helping us in our day to day lives. And instead of finding any complaint about them, the moment the mind starts to complain, the moment the mind starts to find fault in the other person or maybe towards yourself, Just say this, just say these words, these magical words. If you can't express, you can just write it down, which we are going to do today's exercise. Just say, I love you just the way you are. I love you just the way you are. See, something shifts in your consciousness when you say this. Immediately you'll feel the shift. Yes? Yes, please go ahead. Today's magical
Yes,
practice.
today's magical practice is being grateful for people just as they are. Even if all of your relationships are currently good, they will increase with more magnificence through this practice. Through this practice, and with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic, and your relationships will be stronger, more fulfilling, and more enriching than you ever thought they could be.
Yes. So the book says that even if your relationships are currently good, they will increase with more magnificence through this practice. And with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic. And your relationships will be stronger. They will become so strong that you've never thought, you must not have imagined. They will become more stronger. The bond between you and the other person will increase more. And it will be more fulfilling. मतलब और संतुष्टिदायक हो जाएगा. द जो हमारे रिलेशन है, जो हमारे संबंध अभी है, वो उससे और ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज हम उसमें कुछ डाल रहे हैं अपनी तरफ से. वी आर पुटिंग इन समथिंग फ्रॉम आवर साइड. व्हाट आर वी पुटिंग इन? Gratitude. We are putting in gratitude. We are putting in thankfulness. We are showing our affection. We are showing our love towards that person by saying that I love you as you are. उसमें जो भी कमियां हैं उसको हम वैसे ही एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज ईच वन ऑफ अस आर यूनिक. हम सब एक यूनिक प्राणी है. हमारे में, हम सब में कुछ न कुछ अच्छाइयां है. ओके. सो अगर हम किसी को भी, अगर हम ऐसा बोलें अपने मन में कि यस, यू आर वंडरफुल, यू आर लवली, यू आर अमेजिंग, by just listening, and just before we say it, by just listening we're feeling so good. If somebody is telling us also, we feel so beautiful. We all like appreciations, like, right? We all love when somebody appreciates us. So yeah, so just, and your relationships will be stronger, more fulfilling, more, हमको संतुष्टि दायक हो जाएगा वो relationship. It will give us more satisfaction. And enriching means that it will be समृद्ध. हमारे जीवन में और समृद्धि आ जाएगी. हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है वैसी पावर आ जाएगी हमें. वैसे फुलफिलिंग, वैसे ही हमारी लाइफ फुलफिलमेंट हो जाएगी. इट विल बी completely 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 happy and joyful. Yes. Now we actually go into the exercise. What are we supposed to do? Please go ahead.
Choose three of your closest relationships to be grateful for. You might choose your wife, your son, and your father, or your boyfriend, your business partner, and your sister. You might choose your best friend, your grandmother, and your uncle. You can choose any three relationships that are important to you as long as you have a photograph of each person. The photograph can be just of the person or or the both of you together. Once you have selected your three relationships and photographs, you are ready to set the magic into motion. Sit down and think about the things you are the most grateful for about each person. What are the things you love the most about this person? What are their best qualities? You could be grateful for their patience, ability to listen, talents, strength, good judgment, wisdom, laugh, sense of humor, eyes, smile, or kind heart. You could be grateful for the things you enjoy doing with the person, or you can recall a time when the person was there for you, cared for, or supported you.
Yes. So I can only share of my experience. So whenever I sit down to write, keeping the photograph in front of me, first check what what is your feeling. आप किस आपकी जो state of mind है, how are you feeling? Supposing you if you have sat down to write, when something has happened, just happened, just few minutes back or few hours back, something happened between you and that person, and you're holding on that memory in your heart. And in that state, if you sit down and write, then only you would be superficially doing it. You will be doing it, मतलब दिल में तो कंप्लेन है पर आप लिखने में ऐसा लिख रहे हो. This is the first stage. There's nothing wrong in it. But what I would suggest is, first bring about a happy memory which you have shared with that person. कुछ ऐसे हैप्पी मोमेंट्स हैं, कुछ ऐसे हैप्पी मेमोरीज हैं, कुछ ऐसे हैप्पी एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं उस पर्सन के साथ में, उसको पहले आप अपने अंदर ले आइए. जस्ट टेक इट, ब्रिंग इट एट द सर्फेस ऑफ योर माइंड, एंड देन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग, जो आप ग्रैटिट्यूड लिखेंगे वो आपके दिल से आएगा. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, दिल से निकलती है वर्ड्स. जो जो थॉट्स है वो एकदम दिल से निकलेंगे, एंड दैट विल एक्चुअली बी मैजिकल. दैट इज गोइंग टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड, योर रिलेशन विद दैट पर्सन. So चाहे हम कितनी भी, there's something very strong has happened between you and the other person, or maybe something very beautiful is going between you and the other person. When you get into that feeling, the feeling is really important. The more and more you are into that feeling, and also one step ahead, you can identify that feeling for yourself. Just think, how am I feeling? Am I feeling quite contented? Am I feeling quite peaceful? I'm feeling quite joyful. I'm feeling quite happy. I'm feeling quite excited, about that other person. जैसे ही मैं उसके बारे में सोचती हूँ, ऐसी फीलिंग आती है. So just identify your feeling. उसको एक word दे दीजिए अपनी feeling को, and then you start writing. That will set the magic into motion. See, it's saying you are ready to set the magic into motion. तो जो आपका मैजिक है, जो आपकी the intention is, just to, so you will be more close to your dreams. जो आपके ड्रीम्स हैं उसके आप और क्लोज चले जाएंगे. Yes, please go ahead.
After you have spent some time thinking about what you are grateful for about the person, put their photograph in front of you, and with a pen and notebook or on your computer, choose the 5 things you are the most grateful for. Look at the photograph of the person as you make your list of 5 things, being each sentence with the magic words,
Begin
thank
each
you.
sentence with the magic words.
Yes, begin each sentence with the magic words, thank you. Address the person by their name and then write what you are grateful for. Thank you, their name, for what? For
Yes.
example, thank
Yeah,
you,
just a
John.
minute, just a minute, just a minute. So, yes, so you have to just take a notebook and a pen, or on a computer. I would suggest that the book says computer, but if you can just write, as we discussed, like when we write, actually, it comes from the subconscious mind, as handwriting is an idiomotor response which comes directly. So every word, every alphabet which we write is a thought which is coming from the subconscious mind. So when we write actually with on a notebook, it makes a difference. Some of us, you will say, no, we are comfortable writing on our laptop or typing on the phone. So just experience for yourself. If there's any difference you feel, you can write it the way you want to. If you feel any difference writing in the notebook, then you can carry on doing that. And look at the photograph of the person. So very important for you to have the photo of the person, the physical photo of that person in front of you. And just 5 things you have to write with the magic words. How are we starting the sentence? Thank you. This is the magical word. Again, I'm saying initially you might be deliberately saying it, but then before, if but if you feel it and then start writing, then it will be a different experience altogether. Yes, please read.
For example, thank you, John, for always making me laugh. Or thank you, Mom, for supporting me through
College.
college. When you have finished your list for all 3 people, continue with this magical practice by taking the photographs with you today and putting them in a place where you will see them often. Whenever you look at the photographs today, thank the person by saying the magic words, thank you, and the person's name. Thank you, Haley.
Yes, so it's an example. She is giving thanks to Haley and she says, thank you, Haley. But so if you can read the entire sentence, whatever you have written, that will have its own impact. Yeah. If
If
you are
you are
moving,
moving around a lot, carry the photographs with you in your bag or pocket and make an effort to look at the photographs 3 times during the day, following the same procedure.
yeah,
Shall
please.
I go ahead? Okay.
Yes, please go ahead.
Now you know how to use gratitude's magical power to transform your relationships into magical relationships. Although it is not part of the requirement of this book, you may want to take this amazing practice and use it every day, if necessary, to make every relationship you have magnificent. You can use it on the same relationship as many times as you want. The more you can be grateful for the good things in your relationship, the faster every relationship in your life will miraculously change.
Yes. So, one second. So, how many of us have noticed that when we visually see anything, when the picture is there in front of us, we can retain it for a longer time? Yes, no?
Yes, it's our visual learning.
Yes. So, yes, everybody else? Yes. So that's why it says that when you have the picture in front of you, you carry it with you. Supposing you are not in the house and you're going outside, so carry the photographs with you. And 3 times during the day, you look at the picture. The moment you look at the picture, you will remember the good things about that person, and it will be a reinforcement. So we so you know what we do, for anything to become a habit, or for anything to become more powerful, or for anything to become more impactful in our lives, we follow it for 3 times during the day. So, for example, even we go to a doctor. The doctor gives us the medicine to take 3 times during a day. एक बार सुबह लेना है, एक बार दोपहर को लेना है, एक बार रात को लेना है. Has anybody thought why everything what we want to experience a difference, what we want to make a difference in our lives, we do it 3 times during the day. Even if you go to a physiotherapist, the physiotherapist will tell you to do the exercises 3 times a day. Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes. What about
Yes.
others? Where did you
Ourselves.
that?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So that is the reason this book is also telling us that look at the photograph 3 times during the day and follow the same procedure. And there's another option which is not, it's not compulsory, it's just an option. That although it's not part of the requirement of this book, you may want to take this amazing practice and use it every day. आप रोज कर सकते हैं और अगर आप रोज करेंगे सेम रिलेशन पे कर सकते हैं और एंड another very important thing is don't do with the expectation कि मैं ये लिख दूंगी तो जरूर कुछ उस दूसरे इंसान में चेंज आ जाएगा. Don't fall into this trap. Just do with an intention of gratitude. Just feel it. Once you have felt it and you have done your part, you've set the ball rolling. The rest of it will be taken care by the universe. Because the universe understands the feeling, it's a feeling world. The language of the universe is feeling. Feeling is the language of the universe. So you just have to kickstart. That's it. You have to set the ball rolling and it will roll on its own. You will magically see the differences coming in your life. Maybe the other person will come and say sorry, or maybe the other person's behavior towards you will change. And before anything else happens, your behavior to that person will change. The moment you write down 5 things you are grateful for, your feelings, your attitude, your thoughts about that person will change for sure. Let us all experience it. Magic practice number 3. Yes?
Magical relationships. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person.
Number
With the
3.
number 3, with the photo in front of you, write 5 things you are most grateful for about each person in your journal or on your computer.
Number 4.
Number 4, begin each sentence with the magic words thank you. Include their name and what you are specifically grateful for. Number 5, carry the 3 photographs with you today and put them in a place where you will see them often. Look at the photographs on at least 3 occasions. Speak to the person's face in the photograph and thank them by saying the magic words thank you and their name thank you Haley. Number 6, before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes.
Day 4, no.
No, just 1 minute. So yes. So these points, the 6 points, what the book is telling us. The step 1 is as we did yesterday, yesterday's chapter told us, day before yesterday, the first day, the magic practice number 1, count your blessings. For those of you who haven't yet started, my invitation to all of you is, please start your day writing your blessings, counting your blessings. Whatever has happened during the day, or whatever any other thing that you have already experienced, maybe a situation, maybe an experience, maybe about any person, whatever you've experienced, count your blessings. It could be 10 or more than that. Some people asked in the morning, can it be more? Yes, of course. If you can write more, it's beautiful, but minimum is 10. Make a list of 10 blessings and write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, dhanyavad, 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 and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Remember feeling. उसे महसूस करना है, ये महसूसों की दुनिया है. Just feel it, feel every word. हर word में एक power है, एक vibration है. Okay? Then choose 3 of your closest relationships. अपने 3 closest संबंधों को चुनना है जिनका आपने फोटोग्राफ कलेक्ट किया है. ये हमें आज ही करना है. Okay? Just after the session you have to do this with the photo in front of you, preferably if you have time after the session. And अगर आपका दिमाग कुछ और काम में उलझा हुआ है या आपने कुछ अपने लिए कुछ और कमिटमेंट किया है, तो दिन के टाइम में कभी भी जब आप एकदम शांत पीसफुल स्टेट में होंगे, चलते फिरते नहीं करना है ये असाइनमेंट. जस्ट सिट क्वाइटली. जब आप क्वाइट मोमेंट्स में होंगे तो आपको ज्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा. एंड बी फोकस्ड. अपने फोकस को सिर्फ इस असाइनमेंट में ही डालना है. ओके? विद द फोटो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, अपने सामने वो पिक्चर को रखते हुए 5 ऐसी चीजें उस इंसान के बारे में लिखना है जिसके लिए आप ग्रेटफुल हैं, जिसके लिए आप कृतज्ञ हैं, जिसके लिए आप थैंकफुल हैं. ओके? एंड द फोर्थ वन इज, as we always say, begin each sentence with the magic words thank you so and so. And for what? क्या चीज के लिए आप धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं, उससे भी लिखना है. एंड अपनी सारी एनर्जीज उसमें डालना है, अपनी सारी अच्छी एनर्जीज उसमें डालना है, ताकि जो बॉल जो आपने मोशन में किया है, जिसको आपने धीरे से धक्का दिया है, वो और तेजी से आगे रोल हो सके. Carry the 3 photographs with you today. इस इन 3 पिक्चर्स को अपने साथ में आपको कैरी करना है. अगर आप कोई कारण से आप अगर अपने ऑफिस के लिए जा रहे हैं या आप कोई और काम से बाहर जा रहे हैं, तो आप उसे अपने साथ में जरूर लीजिएगा. एंड लुक एट द फोटोग्राफ्स ऑन एटलीस्ट 3 ओकेजन्स. उसे याद करना है. तो हमें कैसे, कई बार ऐसा होता है, लोग बोलते हैं हम तो भूल ही गए उसको, हमने कैरी किया लेकिन हम भूल गए उसको देखना. तो just add another thing to your mind. जब भी हम खाना खाने बैठते हैं, हम दिन में 3 बार ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, लंच करते हैं, डिनर करते हैं, राइट? तो खाना खाने के पहले आप उन तीनों पिक्चर्स को निकाल के देख लीजिए. अपने दिमाग में एक इंटेंट डाल दीजिए, ये एक थॉट डाल दीजिए कि जब भी मैं खाना खाने बैठूंगी या बैठूंगा, तो उन पिक्चर्स को निकाल के मैं जो भी है अपने सामने देखते हुए उनको थैंक यू बोलते हुए, and I will then eat my meal. Okay? Thank you, and then name. Okay? And before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. जब आप सोने जाएंगे, उसके पहले last thing, for those of us who were not there, or also for those of us who were there, we discussed yesterday कि जब हम लास्ट थिंग, मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम उसके बाद में, उसके पहले हमें जो भी करना है, बाथरूम जाना है, ब्रश करना है, अपने किसी से कुछ बातें करनी है, लैपटॉप में कुछ देखना है, मोबाइल फोन में कुछ देखना है, वो सब चीज कंप्लीट करके जस्ट बिफोर वी पुट आवरसेल्व्स ऑन द बेड टू रेस्ट, उसके पहले ही बस जस्ट हम ये मैजिक रॉक हाथ में लेंगे और दिन भर की बातों को याद करेंगे, जो अच्छी बातें हुई हैं उनको याद करेंगे, और जो सबसे अच्छी चीज हुई है दिन भर में, माइंड, हमारे दिमाग को ये पता है कि सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या हुई है। अभी भी अगर आप सोचेंगे तो आपको याद आ जाएगा। सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट वन ब्यूटिफुल थिंग दैट हैपेंड विथ यू एंड देन से थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, and then see the magic happen during the night before you go to sleep. Yes, so we are done with today's chapter. If we have any doubts, any sharings, we can do that now. Yes? पूछना है इस असाइनमेंट के बारे में, या आपने कुछ समझा नहीं है, या आपके कुछ शेयरिंग है, आपने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया है। कुछ लोग जो जल्दी आ गए थे उन्होंने अपनी शेयरिंग बताई, कुछ लोग जो you are right now on the chat, you're right now, if you can write it down in the chat. If you want to share it, you can unmute yourself and share what you experienced yesterday when you held the magic rock, when you did the magic rock practice, और जब आपने और भी कुछ 10 things you were grateful for आपने लिखी अपनी blessings को, दिन भर कैसा गया, how did you experience, how did you feel through the day, what kind of feeling zone you were in, anything you have to share, please go ahead, unmute yourself and share before we end today's session.
This is my second day today.
Yes.
I missed the first session.
Yes.
So last day, through the day, I was in a happy mode because I have to say thanks to the good things. Na?
Yes.
So what my thought process was, I have to look on the positive sides only.
Lovely.
Otherwise, how would I thank? And
So
I was so happy to attend your session that just after the session, I called my one of the best friends and suggested her to join the session today, and she has joined today. That let's do it together for this 30 days. And
thank you so much for bringing your friend into this session. Thank you so much. And you are not on the Telegram group.
No, I just wanted to share that
Yeah.
I am not in the group and I have no number too. Where should I send my message?
You don't have my number?
No.
So I would request Madhav, if you can please write down my number, or else I'll just say 9167. Are you writing?
Just
Margi, I will
Margi
share you.
share.
okay.
9.
I will take it from Bharat Bhai or Hina Bhai.
Okay. And then if you can download the Telegram group and send me a hi, I'll add you. The recordings of the first day session is there. The second day recording is also there. I'll be putting in the recordings of each day session. So people who have missed, I'm sorry I couldn't record the first day session, the day 0 session. So that recording is not there, but the other recordings will be there. So for those who are joined today, you can hear the recording of the first day and the second day. Yeah,
Okay.
day 0, your friend has joined today. So you can call me between 11 to 12 and I'll brief you the day 0 session. Yeah, you were also not there on day 0, right?
No, I was not there.
Yeah, so if both of you can, call me together and we can discuss.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you so much. Anybody else has any?
Thank you Vandana. You have given best. बहुत अच्छी टेक्निक बताई थी पिक्चर को देखने की before 3 meal.
Yes. So share your experience tomorrow after you have done the assignment.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Usha ji.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So yes, Thank you for today's session.
Thank you.
And then
Thank you.
tomorrow, till then, have a magical day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
thank you,
so
thank you.
much.
Thank you, Vandana ji.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank